Now let's get into this wig. As you know, I love my 3-second installs, meaning that this wig comes ready to go. Here's everything that comes in the box, and I will have this wig linked below in the description box for you guys. So if you're looking for anything from today's video, please check below the video. So this wig is their transparent 13x6 full lace front, straight Brazilian hair, human hair wig. And as you can see, straight out the box, everything is already done. You don't need to do anything to this wig. You don't need to cut the lace. You don't need to bleach the knots, and the knots, the hair, everything is gorgeous. Now I will admit that I was stunned by the hair. This hair is super long, super long. We'll get into that in a second, but look at those knots, and you get a lot of parting space. This is a 13x6 cap. You can wear it without glue, and it does have adjustable combs. The great thing about this 13x6 is you can just pop it on. Now the ear length was a bit longer on me, so of course I had to go back and adjust it, but for the most part, let's get into the hair. This hair is so gorgeous. The hairline looks good. Putting this wig on straight out the box lets me know that I don't have to do anything with it. Now I think they gave extra length to the ear tab area just because some people have bigger heads, but look at this hair. This hair had me in a chokehold. It is gorgeous. I mean, stunning. Like, it has so much body and so much shine. Just out the box, beautiful. So what I did is go ahead and adjust the straps in the back of the head. And now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to just tape this wig and go. The most part with a 13x6 is that the ear area is going to, you know, lift a little bit. So you just take the tape, press it, pull, and apply. Boom. Just that simple. Again, pull, apply. That's it, and you're ready to go. Now for me personally, the lace isn't blending perfectly around the hairline, so I'm gonna take that melting spray by my Stick Little Secret, just a little bit, and apply it there, and that's going to help tie it down, of course, and you are ready to go. Like, I'm talking a 3-second install. Now let's talk about this flat iron they put in the box. It's cute and all, very cute, very pretty. So I was like, let me try it out, let me see how it works. And then I realized the cord is too short, so I was like, okay, it's a bathroom flat iron. It's one of them travel and go flat irons. Again, the tape always holds. If you are looking for a hold, the tape works. If you don't want to use adhesive or glue, it's a simple hold that you can get for a week or two. It's just that simple, and it's easy to remove. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my parting. Since this is a 13x6 Weirgo wig, you can part it on the side if you would like. If you want to switch it up each day, you can. The hair is a straight texture, and they added like this layer effect to the front. So the front is like to my boob, and then the actual hair touch the top part of my butt. It's long, but the hair is so gorgeous. I believe this is a 26 or 28 inch. I've never had a 28 inch wig, but oh my god, girl, if you are looking for that length and body, this is it. Like, look how beautiful this hair is. Now, I haven't tried this wig in any other length. This length though is gorgeous, straight up gorgeous. And I will have a discount code down in the description box, so be sure to check there if you decide to purchase. Let's get into styling. I want to do a quick style. This has been one of my favorite styles to wear this summer, well, spring, summer, and I've worn it on several wigs. This style is very natural, especially with a straight hairstyle. If you are looking for your wig to just look very natural, then I like this style. It's one of my go-to. So I always part on the side, and I'm just taking the center of the hair, and we're going to push all that and flatten it down. You can go in between the hair if you would like to make it a little bit flatter, or you can just leave it as is. But for the most part, the hair by itself straight out the box is already ready. Just, you know, you just have to set them partings, but the scalp area looks good. So I'm just taking my hot comb and pressing down the hair, and then I'm also going to do the same thing in the center. Now you can use your flyaway tamer with this as far as like the edge sticks, or you can use hairspray, whatever you feel like works best. And it's so simple. As you can see, the style is so simple to create, and because you get that extra parting space, you can part it deeper than just the middle. You can go deep on them sides, or you can just keep it right in the center. Now, as far as everything that came in my box, I can't say that everything I have you will get. There are sometimes specials that goes on with these wigs, so if you see that they are offering free gifts, jump on those sales. Again, I will have this wig linked below in the description box with a discount code. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this style. I definitely loved it, and I will see you back in my next video. Mwah.